Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a Lexus RX 400 Hybrid maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We are going to look at that screen right there, that little screen right there, and as you can see, maintenance required, and it's currently on the trip A. Make sure it's on the ODO, and there is a button over here. Sorry about that. Right here on the left hand side, go ahead and press that button to go find your ODO, just like that, right there. Now turn off your car when you get there. At the same time, go ahead and press that trip button and hold it and turn your car back on without starting, and you should see that. That should do it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.